Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Crochet Shop by Nanno. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to crochet beautiful patterns, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. And gives me big thumbs up to see more. First, you will need your selected yarn. I will use ALIZE Turkish yarn, ALIZE midi Turkish yarn. You can use any Turkish yarn as you like. STEEL Crochet Hook, I will use 4mm crochet hook. Measuring tape. Scissors and yarn needle. First, make a slip knot. Then, chain multiples of 4 plus 3 to make 70 inches or more as you like. Then skip 4 chain stitches from the hook. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet stitch, then chain 2, another 1 double crochet stitch, all in the same space. Now you finished the first shell stitch. To make the next one, skip 3 chain stitches. In the next one, make another 1 shell stitch by making 1 double crochet stitch, then chain 2 and another 1 double crochet stitch, all in the same stitch. Repeat like this. Skip 3 chain stitches. In the next one, make 1 shell stitch. Repeat this to finish the first row. After you finished the first row, in the last you will find 2 chain stitches. Skip 1. In the last one, make 1 double crochet stitch. Then, to make the second row, chain 2. Turn your work. In the first, chain 2 space, make 3 double crochet stitches, all in the same space. Then, between the next 2 double crochet stitches, between shells, make 1 double crochet stitch. Now repeat this 3 double crochet stitches in the next chain 2 space. Then, between shell stitches, make 1 double crochet stitch between shells. Repeat this. In the next chain 2 space, make 3 double crochet stitches all in the same space. Between shell stitches, make 1 double crochet stitch, and in the chain 2 space, make 3 double crochet stitches. Repeat like this. Between shell stitches, make 1 double crochet stitch. Repeat like this to finish the second row. After you finished the second row and the last chain 2 space, you will find chain stitches space. In the chain stitches space, make 1 double crochet stitch to finish the second row. Now to make the row number 3, chain 2, turn your work, now skip 2 double crochet stitches. In the next, make 1 shell stitch. Take care in the center. In the second double crochet stitch, make 1 shell stitch, 1 double crochet stitch, chain 2 and another 1 double crochet stitch. Now you finished the first one. To make the next one, skip 1, 2, 3. In the next double crochet stitch in the center from the 3 double crochet group, make 1 shell stitch by making 1 double crochet stitch, chain 2 and another 1 double crochet stitch, all in the same stitch. Repeat this. Skip 3, then in the next make 1 shell stitch. Skip 3, in the next make 1 shell stitch. Repeat this to finish the row number 3. After you finish the row number 3, in the last you will find chain 2 space. In the last chain 2 space, make 1 double crochet stitch. Now repeat the row number 2, then repeat the row number 3. Repeat this row number 2, then repeat row number 3 to make your selected size. In this tutorial I will make 7 inches. Repeat row number 2, then repeat row number 3. Repeat this to finish your selected size. I made 7 inches in this tutorial, but you can make as you like. Finish with shawl stitches row, and after you finish the last row, chain 1, turn your work to make a simple edge optional. In the first chain 2 space, make 3 half double crochet stitches all in the same chain 2 space. Repeat this in the next shawl stitch. Make 3 half double crochet stitches all in the same chain 2 space. Repeat this to finish this side. After you finish the first side, to make the first corner, in the last chain stitches space, make 1 half double crochet stitch, then chain 1 and 2 half double crochet stitches all in the same space. To make the second size, in the double crochet space, make 2 half double crochet stitches in the same space. In the next chain 2 space, make another 2 half double crochet stitches in the same space. Repeat this in the next double crochet space, make 2 half double crochet stitches in the same space. Repeat this in the next chain space. After you finished this side, in the last you will find chain stitches space, make 2 half double crochet stitches, then chain 1, rotate your work, in the same space make 1 half double crochet stitch. After you finished the third corner, to make the last side, in the chain stitches space, make 3 half double crochet stitches all together in the same space. Repeat this in the next chain stitches space, make 3 half double crochet stitches all in the same space. Repeat this, skip the next shawl stitch. Then repeat the last corner. Then repeat the opposite side. In the last you will find the first chain stitch. Space, insert your hook and make one slip stitch to join. Then chain 1. Pull the yarn to fasten off and weave in ends to finish your work. Now your scarf is ready. Make a fast blocking method, the link below. Thank you for watching. If you like it, gives me big thumbs up to see more. See you, bye bye.